What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I do stock and dividend analysis videos on stocks that I own. I reveal to you guys stocks that I own. Everything's free on this channel. All I ask you to do is smash that like button, subscribe, enjoy these videos. These are for entertainment purposes, and these are for you guys too, because there are some hot stocks out there that you guys don't even know about that I have in my dividend portfolio. And I also do stock and dividend analysis videos on stocks that I am considering. So this is what my channel is about. It's all about passive income and investing. But I'm going to show you my etrade dividend portfolio. Then I'm going to show you a stock that I'm considering buying in my etrade dividend portfolio or my M1 finance dividend portfolio at the end. So I'm going to show you this stock and my dividend portfolio right now. Okay, so this is my $25,000 etrade dividend portfolio. These are the stocks that I own. I'll show you my estimated income right now. So this is kind of my play money. I'm really focusing on my M1 finance dividend portfolio right now, but I'm going to add some stocks here and there. I'm going to show you a stock that I'm going to add to my dividend portfolio on etrade. It's a very popular stock. It has a lot of hype to it. So make sure you continue to watch this video and watch it till the end. So I have Prospect Capital. That's a monthly dividend stock. I sold it when I made a little bit of a profit, and I threw it into WPC Carry, which I have 21 shares right now. I have gained. I have 159 shares of gain. So I'm basically buying a new share each time. The compound interest is kicking in. I really like the way things going. I got Arbor Realty Trust when it was way down. I'm up 138%. AGNC, I sold it. I made a profit, threw it into WPC Carry. I'm going to be adding that one a lot. I really like Gladstone Land Corporation. They're a small, underrated monthly dividend stock. Good is another monthly dividend stock. And Wendy's is one of my stocks that eventually will increase its dividend over time, and then it'll start getting more shares. So I really like the way Wendy's is doing as a business and the way that they're distributing their dividends, and they just increased their dividends. So I'm very excited about that. Next is KeyBank. So this is a bank that was way down. I sold Regions Financials and Huntington Bank shares for WPC Carry, but I needed just one bank stock that gave me a good bang for my buck. And KeyBank yields a high dividend. It's right around, I think, 3 to 5% right now. And I really like basically the way things are going because it's increasing its dividend over time. I'm going to be buying more shares. Compound interest is going to be kicking in. I'm very excited to see KeyBank grow as a stock for me. Next is Newell Brands. Thank you, Matthew Ramey, with that, because with Newell Brands, it was a stock that yields a high dividend. I got it definitely when it was down. I'm up 35.62%. Carnival Cruise, I'm just waiting for it to start distributing dividends. It's going to take time. So it might take a year or two for it to get back into the swing of things, but it's going to come back with a vengeance with a very nice dividend. Franklin Resources is another financial stock, high dividend. I got it when it was down. I'm up 32.55%. Again, at the end, I'll show you how much I'm making. BGS Foods is another dividend stock that I got. It was way down. I had to capitalize on that one. Stag Industrial, that is a real estate investment trust that distributes a monthly dividend. I'm very happy with the way things are going with the stock. I'm starting to, I think what I'm going to do with this one is start buying more shares so that I eventually start getting more monthly dividends, and I get to the point where I start buying almost a new share of Stag each time, because I think there's a lot of potential with those guys. Store Capital is another one. They were way down. I threw money in, capitalized on them. They have a high dividend yield. Conagra Brands is another one. I consider that one a underrated dividend stock, CAG. So I post on my Twitter account with the way Conagra Brands is, and some of their products. I think I did post a video on them as well, but they also are a great dividend stock that has helped me in the long run earn passive income, and their dividends are very nice. Main Street Capital, how can you? I mean, that's one of the best business development companies that yields a high dividend. So that one is very sharp. I can't wait to start earning more passive income with Maine. I'm glad I put money in them. EPR Properties is a monthly dividend stock. Obviously, they're down for a reason. They were a great monthly dividend stock. They have not distributed their dividend in a while, but once it starts returning, I'm going to start reinvesting the dividends and going from there. So things are looking very strong with this stock. It's just going to take time. Realty Income is my favorite monthly dividend stock. It's probably my favorite stock. I just like the way it increases its dividend over time. The cheaper it is, the more I reinvest the dividends, the better I get with O. So the sky's the limit with this stock. WPC Carry is another stock that I capitalized on. It was so down. And, with these dividends from that, how can you say no? National Health Investors is a real estate investment trust that has a very high dividend. I really like the way things are going with that one. I'm going to continue to reinvest. I'm glad I put a lot of money in that. This is my big sharpshooter. This is Brinker International. So this is like a big restaurant chain. And this one I got once the pandemic came, and it came around with a vengeance. But really, what I have done with this stock, I mean, I could easily sell that, throw it into EPR Properties. I haven't made a decision on what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably reinvest the dividends and keep on going from there, because it's just such a phenomenal stock for dividends over time, and it's going to increase its dividends. So I got in when it was down. I'm really happy I got that. Same with Carnival Cruise, and I'm just going to reinvest. So I'm going to show you my estimated income real quick with my eTrade dividend portfolio. Now, again, this is estimated. There's no guarantees, but I'm right at $1,362.04 for estimated income. So some of these AGNC, it's only getting me 26 cents, but the sky's the limit. I may throw AGNC in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I did back and forth with that one. I have done videos. I was against it, and I'm with it, and I'm against it. I might as well, just because it's so down. Now, there's no guarantees with Carnival. It's estimated, same with EPR, but look at how much money I'm getting from these stocks once they start distributing dividends. KeyBank is distributing $8.50 with their with as much as I had. So that's a nice high yield dividend stock. Look at Main Street Capital. Okay, I'm getting $13.39 with that. Newell Brands is a good one. I am earning $5.64 with those guys. And I'm earning $14.43. I'm really excited to see O really grow. Same with Stag, $4.37. Wendy's has increased their dividend, so I'm very excited to see them get in the passive income train with these guys, because again, they're going to jump right back up to where they are, to 9 to 12. Once the economy starts getting better, they're going to be rolling. So I'm really happy with that. Look at Land, $2.82. Compound interest is kicking in. Gain, I'm basically buying a new share each month, which is really exciting. I mean, that's a pumping money out, and eventually they could increase their dividend. Franklin Resources, $8.61. So look at the Store Capital, $10. WPC Carry, look at that, $21.97. So I'm almost able to buy a new share each year, which is phenomenal. And that's just, a quarter. So think about it. That's almost like a thing of gas. So of course I'm going to reinvest and let things go. Look at BGS, $10.71, NHI, $28.34. So you get the picture that the compound interest is kicking in and things are really exciting. So, I have breast practice. I was just studying for my midterm that's coming up in 10 days. So I needed to take a break. I just got done with my shift. But look at how things are going with this, okay? I'm going to show you a stock that I'm either going to put in my M1 Finance Dividend portfolio or my etrade portfolio right now. So let's check this out right now. This stock is so down. All right, you guys have mentioned this to me a lot. Energy Transfer, okay? This is a stock that has a nice dividend, very good portfolio. It's so down. I know that they decreased their dividend a little bit, but this is such a great stock to put in your dividend portfolio. And I'm very excited to start putting that in either my M1 Finance Dividend portfolio or my etrade dividend portfolio. I haven't decided which one to put it in, but I will reveal to you guys what I plan on doing with that in the future, because I just really like this stock, and I'm going to show you what the stock is about. Because honestly, I mean, sure, it's it says it, you know, here and there it says stock rises, it outperforms the market. Some people say it still underperforms, but look at this stock and how much revenue it's made real quick. So we're going to jump to their website. So here's some information. So Energy Transfer announced a quarterly dividend of 15 cents per unit. Okay, it's a little bit down, but again, with this economy going crazy, okay, that's understandable. Okay, there's a lot of money involved, and I'm excited to really see the look at this, the acquisition of Enable Midstream Partners. So they're almost like an empire, 7.2 billion. These guys have a ton of money. Okay, so the thing that's nice about these guys is that they are a empire. I mean, literally, let me show you. Okay, so they have pipelines. They have 12,000 employees globally, okay? 90,000 miles of pipeline, okay? So they have crude oil, they have natural gas. So it's not just that, it's natural gas, okay? They're one of the largest and most diversified portfolios of energy assets in the United States, okay? And this is what I like about their portfolio. Look at this. This is just crazy, okay? Midstream crude oil, NGL, and refined. They're very well diversified. And look at this, all this natural gas storage. I really like this, and I'm going to buy this. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to buy that. I haven't figured out or just decided, where I'm going to put it, but I really like, okay, how these guys have done as a company and how they have grown as a company. So a lot of you guys were telling me, to go into these guys, but I need to really look into it, how much revenue they've made, how they're doing as a company. Okay, so they're a natural, look at this, formed in 1996, a small intrastate natural gas pipeline operator. The partnership has successfully grown through organic expansion projects of the acquisition of 12 companies. They're just getting bigger. They're getting like an empire, okay? 38 states and Canada, okay? So they are the real deal. This is what I like, okay? Look at these terminals that they have. Natural gas, crude, okay? Energy. Look, I know people are freaking out about gas and oil and this, but let's think about this, okay? These guys have been here and there, and I'll show you their dividend history real quick. Okay, so recently they decreased their dividend. Okay, not a big deal, but a 7.75% dividend yield, very strong. I do need to attack the energy sector. I have done First Energy, I have done a few other stocks, but Energy Transfer is a stock that I'm highly considering, and I'm going to go into, I'm going to get them. Okay, I'm going to buy them. So I'm just telling you right now, I'm going to buy this stock. Okay, so this is one, if I add to my etrade dividend portfolio, if I add to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, I just like the way things are going with the stock. Reinvest dividends, buy more shares, boom. Okay, So that's kind of the way I see things with Energy Transfer. So if I put it in, you know, if I put it in, etrade, I'll do X amount of dollars, but man, I can reinvest these dividends, let this thing just fly and just keep on going. Okay. So look at this, 30 cents. Could it go back to 30 cents? Yes. But, I don't like to make guarantees, but it's a very stable company. So let me know what you think of this video. Let me know what you think of my dividend portfolio. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. I'm going to post a video on Monday. Sunday, I have to do a few things with schoolwork, but that's kind of the way things are going with my dividend portfolio. And just enjoy the ride. And thank you. You guys have been phenomenal on this channel. Again, everything's free. All I ask you to do is subscribe. Once you hit that notification bell, you're seeing all the videos. So that's pretty much what's going on. Smash that like button for me. Because the more you guys smash that like button, I want you to comment. The more you're getting involved in my channel, the more videos I'm going to post. So let me know what you think of my dividend portfolio and Energy Transfer. All right, you guys take care and have a good one.